Well, we got a nasty rainy morning. I didn't get to the forecast that this is going to happen. So that explains why Ollie is already in the porch. Well, being a rainy day, Ollie's looking at what's going on inside. I'm about to get my coffee and that scared him off. Yeah. Yeah. Still no Skitter. This is day 6. I wish you could tell me what happened to her. You can see it's a nasty day. Cats are staying in today if I can manage it. Alright, let's get you fed. Don't make me spill this today. How about that? I didn't spill any. There you go. The Skitter isn't here for this morning. I'm pretty sure that means she can't be. I don't know why that is, but it's probably nothing good. It's almost time for her to start coming in again. She was coming close, but she mostly didn't. Sad.